It's time for episode 1 of my ultimate Supermoto build series featuring my brand new 2024 KTM 690 SMC R Supermoto. I will be transforming the looks and performance of this bike to epic levels. As you can see, I've got brand new OEM KTM black plastics here. I've got an awesome TST Industries Fender Eliminator kit and a bunch of other parts. Let's get started with this episode.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
First off, if you're gonna ride a motorcycle out there, guys, make sure you're wearing the gear to stay safe out there. And I have links to my awesome gear like this airbag vest to help keep you safe out there on the streets, and my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an automatic tint shield, my new motovlog camera, gauntlet gloves, boost pants. Links to all my gear is in the description and comment section of this video. Now let's get started. First off, we got to get rid of this ugly Fender, but I've got an absolutely epic TST Industries Fender Eliminator kit, which I've used for my MT07, my former MT09. Man, I'll tell you, they make the best Fender Eliminator kits. As you can see, this is the parts right here, and it has the integrated turn signals in there. Look at that smoke. They have this also in clear as well. Check this out. This is going to be up underneath there, and it has the signal, so we don't need those stupid big bulbous signals on the side. Absolutely epic. It's going to look so clean. Also comes with the license plate light, comes with the flasher relays, the whole kit right here. Also, I got the LED light. Check this out. That's going to look so sick. Look at that black with the LED light. That's going to look sick. Also, the black plastics here, guys. These are KTM OEM plastics that I had got from Europe. Okay. Absolutely, these are perfect fitment, the same fairings as this bike has, guys. So I have a link to all the stuff in this video in the description and comment section of this video. Like I said, when I get done with this build series, this bike is going to be completely different, man, in performance and in looks. So for those of you guys that don't like the orange look, which I think it looks pretty cool, but it's going to look way better in black and orange. Okay, let's get started by first removing this ugly OEM fender and get that TST Industries fender on. By the way, I will not be doing step-by-step on how to install the fender. I will do a basic overview like I have in the past. If you want to see specific detailed steps, which are awesome, over at tstindustries.com, go check it out. They have a video where he'll take you step by step and show you the exact way to do it, but I'm just going to do an overview on it. Let's get started. First off, the tools you're going to need to install this TST Industries Fender Eliminator kit. You're going to need Torx bits, especially with this KTM. I noticed you need Torx bits, and you need a T25 and a T30 Torx bit, a 4mm hex key. You're going to need a 8mm socket, some blue thread locker, 10mm box wrench. Okay, first off, let's remove this seat. The seat is really easy to remove on this KTM. I know the Husqvarna 701 version of this bike actually is harder to remove the seat from what I've seen in videos. This one, it just has a loop right here. Right there, there's like a loop right there. If you can see that, and you pull that. There, it comes right up. Boom, check it out.
First step is to remove this really ugly temporary license plate from Pennsylvania. Come on, Pennsylvania, you can do better than that. And get this ugly fender off. You're going to remove those two bolts. Those are T30 bolts, and then the 8mm bolt in the center. Boom, boom, and boom. Next, remove the gas cap using your key. Slide that tailpiece out. Put the gas cap back so no debris gets in there. Just leave it there. Now we're going to get access to the wire harness plug. You're going to remove that bolt, another bolt underneath those wires. And if you have skinny fingers like mine, you should be able to pluck that bolt out. Lift that up and get access to the wire harness plug. Unplug that. Now we're going to remove the wire harness, remove that bolt and that bolt. And there you go. Now we're going to remove that ugly stock fender. There's 2 bolts holding it in place. Torx bolts. Remove that side Torx bolt and then remove the other Torx bolt. And it simply just comes right off. That ugly stock fender that weighs almost 3 pounds. Now here's the TST Industries brackets there. And you're going to take the one bracket and attach it to the tail light. And there's 3 special screws. Now you don't want to put those screws in real tight, just enough so you can make adjustments, because there's a notch on that tail there that the tail light slides into, and you want to make sure it's nice and snug. And once you get that adjusted right, then you tighten those 3 screws tight. Now go ahead and put this on the license plate bracket. The front holes are, you could actually put external turn signals there if you wanted to add them, but I'm just going to take the bolt, the rubber grommet, and the lock nut and just fill in that space there and go ahead and tighten that up with that 10mm box wrench. And okay, now we'll go ahead and test fit this on the back of the bike. I'm just doing a test fit here, just using my fingers, screwing the screw in there, and I'm going to tighten those front bolts tighter there. There you go, tighten that up. Now we'll go ahead and remove the tail light. Okay, now I'm going to install the license plate light and just run it through the bracket. And it comes with 2 little splice connectors. You're going to connect it to the blue wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Okay, so do that and then button everything up with a zip tie and electrical tape. Now we're going to run the wire harness back on the bike there. So you're going to plug that wire harness in, put the 3 bolts in and that 1 irritating bolt underneath those wires. Put the other bolts back. Make sure the lines are nice and smooth and not kinked in position. There you go. Now we're going to just slide that tail piece into position. It's got the notches. You'll see how to do it. Put the gas cap back. Now put that center bolt back. Very important. Tighten that up to 8mm. Now we're going to head and slide that tail light in. See how it's nice and snug? Now I'm going to use some blue Loctite for the bolts on each side.
Check it out. Ooh, that looks good. The smoke. Oh man, that looks so sick, dude. Nice and clean now. Oh my gosh, this is the old Fender. Look at the old one. Look at that dude. Oh, this is so ugly. This must have saved, my gosh, man. I must have reduced it by at least 2 or 3 pounds.
It actually weighs 2 pounds and 12 ounces.
Let me cut on the bike. Let's see what it looks like. Check it out, dude. Look at that. Nice and bright. Oh, look. The license plate light brights up the license plate real nice. Oh, that looks so good, dude. TST Industries. Go check them out. They have Fender Eliminator kits for a lot of bikes. They make the best kits, guys. They fit perfectly. Let's check the turn signals. Yeah, integrated turn signals looks good.
Make note, I have yet to install the flasher relay, which is the reason for the faster blinking.
Outright signal works. Okay, let's see, check out the brake. Brake works. Yeah, front brake, rear brake. Yep, rear brake works. Looks good, check it out, dude. Dude, that looks so sick. By the way, I have to put on the rest of the black fairings on here. I didn't really get time to finish doing it. So the next build series video, I will put all the plastics on here. I'm putting the new headlight, this new headlight I got from Amazon. This is fairly inexpensive. And I have a link to this and everything in here, all my build series, I have links to all the parts in the description and comment section of this video. I have the Zeta handguards with the integrated turn signals that get rid of these bad boys, cleaner look with the mirrors and the handguards, get rid of these mirrors, that'll save some weight too. I got a new KTM comfort seat coming. Which was really hard to get because they're like out of stock everywhere, and I was able to find one, so I got that coming. I have a graphics kit coming for the black plastics here, and I'll be installing that on the bike in a future build series as well. So I mean, this is going to be completely transformed. This is just the aesthetics right now, guys. But I have performance mods coming. I got a full Leo vents, narrow exhaust is black. It looks beautiful with a full exhaust I'll be putting on this bike. And I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Power Commander 6 or I'm gonna go with the Kuber piggyback ECU module or whatnot. So I'm still up in the air. I'm getting feedback from you guys and seeing which one I should go with. Leave a comment below on which one you think I should go with. I've got lots and lots of stuff. I got new wheels, the Shinko 705 tires I'll be putting so I can do proper off-road. I have a skid plate here also that I'll be putting on the bike. I've got so many mods that are coming up, guys, in the build series. This bike, like I said, is going to be completely transformed. It's going to have proper sound. It's going to have the full power that you can get potential on this bike. It's going to be, I'm telling you, bike guys, even in stock form, this bike is sick, man. This could be a lightweight adventure bike. This could be a cruiser. This could be, of course, it's a Supermoto, your dual sport when you put the Shinko 705 and the skid plate on there. It's a versatile unicorn bike. But anyways, guys, leave a comment below on what else you'd like to see me do to this bike, or what other new motorcycle you'd like to see me get in place of the MTL7, or you think I should keep the MTL7. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it, guys. I really appreciate you guys, but this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. This bike is about to transform into an absolutely epic bike. It's going to be so, it's already awesome, guys, but it's going to look beautiful and it's going to be really powerful and amazing. Stay tuned. Make sure to hit thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos release. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, catch you guys later.